midst of storms, I know you're here. You are my refuge and fortress. There is nothing to fear. If God is for us, who can be against us? Your word is true. In you I trust, O Lord. Strengthen my...
I am back in the garage. This is another day. We are back in the garage. As I said, I had to do it. I wanted to do it 7 days straight, but I could not because I had to stop. So much things to do. I had to host NHS Chambers annual affair. I had to host that at my home. As I said, 2 of the grandkids graduated. So guys, it was just busy for me. So I could not get into the garage every day, but guys, we make a big dent. But this massive garage transformation, it's on its way. It's on its way. So today it's raining outside, and yes, a couple of times it rained. So today it's raining, it's pouring outside. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to still work in the garage. If I have to take a bath going back and forth to the dumpster, I'm going to do it. But guys, I have to get this done. We have to get this done. Not I. We have to get this done. So we had a lot of delay in between. And I did a few other decors in between, but today I'm really going to work on this because I need to get this done. We need to get this done. It's not a me alone project. It's me and the hubby project. So the hubby is on his way downstairs, but I jumped to the garage before him. So now guys, it's gonna be a roll today, and I'm gonna stop about 4 o'clock because besides cleaning this garage, I'm also babysitting, watching the kids, but right now I want to get this garage out. I have to get everything in the garage out before I go on vacation, and my vacation is in about another 15 days. Yes, so guys, let's get the ball rolling. Again, welcome to my channel, Living with Esther. For those of you who haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. For all my rollers, thanks again. Thanks for rolling with me, guys. You all are so faithful rolling with me. For my new subscribers to my channel, welcome. For those who coming over from Juliana, welcome to my channel. I appreciate you guys, and just roll with me. Okay, guys? So welcome. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. So let's get the ball rolling. Okay, guys, so after this mess that you're looking at, after this chaos mess you guys looking at, after this massive cleanup, guys, it will look so luxurious. What a transformation this is going to be. Guys, look at this. And this is years of built up, right? This is years of built up. And guys, yes, it's gonna take us a long time. Just don't judge us. It will take us a long time. So right now, the side where my husband is, that's the one that have the most of the material itself. And where I was, that's where a lot of the tools are. So the material is on his side, and we are tackling his side first. That's the first place we tackling his side, and then we'll go over to my side. But guys, it's just a chaos in there. And guys, we have a big garage, a deep garage, and I'm telling you guys, it's packed with material and tools all the way down. So that's why it's gonna take us a while to clean up this mess. It's gonna take us a while. And guys, When it's finished, it's gonna look like a luxurious a garage that nobody ever put anything in. That's how it's gonna look. Yes, because I need to start parking back my vehicle into my side of the garage. I need to park back, because my husband said to me, he said one day, can I just park outside I'm just gonna rest my saw on the floor for tonight, and then I'll take it out tomorrow. Guys, 3 years later, 3 years later, I still haven't parked in my garage. I still haven't parked in my side of the garage. And as I said, his neighbor backed him up. His neighbor backed him up because one day we was trying to clean out the garage, and the neighbor was passing by, friendly, and then, the neighbors, and I was like, did you see this royal mess going on in it? Did you see this chaos going on in this garage? And he backed up my husband. He said, listen, it's bringing in the bread. Why worry? Why worry? It's bringing, and I just had to keep my mouth, bow my head and keep my mouth closed. But guys, we will get. Yes, guys, because you know what? I know the neighbor, the neighbor was right, but I didn't want the neighbor backing him up. I wanted the neighbor to back me up. But guys, it's just a lot. And as I said, we will get to it. It's just a lot of work. And, but I think we will get to it. We will get to it. It might take us a little longer than 7 days because I have stuff coming up. I have to host NHS end of the year get together. So, and then I have 2 graduation. The granddaughter and grandbaby is graduating from school, graduated, so not graduating but graduated, because they already graduated. So, and I already host the get together for NHS. So now I'm back working in the garage. So guys, this is what the before looks like. And guys, we made a dent in the garage. With all of what was going on, we still made a dent in the garage. And as I said, a lot of this material went into the dump. And what my husband did, he separated, because there's a metal guy that comes around in my town and pick up metal, and I didn't know my husband has the guy number. So guys, you all will see further down in the video the amount of metal that we had to put by the side of the street. And my husband was very thoughtful, very, very thoughtful, that he separate the metal. We still have more metal, so the guy said he will stop by tomorrow, because I also put the lights them out on the side of the street. And yes, so we will see. And this is my side of the garage. You all can see this is my side. And we have all the bottles. Well, we sold the bottles. We sold them already. So all those bottles are already gone. But I'm just showing all you a preview of what it was like. So all these bottles are already gone. Okay, guys? Those are already gone. Okay, guys, so now look at a little dent. So I made a little dent in the garage a couple of days ago. So this is all the way from the inside facing outside. So as you all can see, all that material that was blocking the garage, all of that is gone. So I came down early this morning before the hubby came downstairs, and I was just throwing stuff in the garage. I threw away cans of paint. I threw away lights that even have chandelier lights that even had tags on them. I put that by the side of the road. All of that is gone. So guys, I made a dent even that light, you see that black and white light that's there, I put that by the side of the road for, people will take them. People will take them. All I want to do is just clean this garage out with all this chaos inside of it. And guys, I think we are doing a great job. As you can see, and you'll see better, all the paint that was on the rack, we had paint and grout and can paint and wood stain and concrete floor paint and all that stuff. I threw them all of that is in the dump. And so when the hubby come down, by the time he came down, that was already in the dump. That was already in the dump. And I say, "Hon, it's all gone. It's all gone. And we're not going back in the dump and take it out. All of that is gone." Okay, so guys, it's starting to look beautiful, beautiful. And I can see a dent in the garage. As I said, all the cans are off the rack, all the grout, everything over here is off the rack and in the dump. So it's turning out beautiful, beautiful. Guys, I'm telling you, this is never ever gonna happen again, because it's just too much work. Cleaning this garage is just too much work. Well, and the good thing, he is not doing that work anymore. You see all those pails, he have all those bucket. He say he's saving them. When he came downstairs this morning, all those bucket was in the dump. I dumped them all. Look, as you can see how he separated all the metal out by the street for the metal guy. You know, my husband is such a good person. He said to separate all of that for the metal guy. Guys, as I said, we made a dent. So this is day number 3. And guys, thanks for watching this day number 3. I appreciate it. And we getting there. We are getting there. Okay. So thank you for watching day number 3. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I appreciate it. So don't forget to join me for day number 4. And hopefully I should have day number 4 done by Monday. So again, thank you. Please subscribe to my channel, Living with Esther. Love you guys. Bye-bye.
In the midst of storms, I know you're here. You are my refuge and fortress. There is nothing to fear. If God is for us, who can be against us? Your word is true. In you I trust, O Lord. Strengthen my